Hey everybody, it's Molly at So-and-so's Place. I wanted to show you something. I am working on this skirt right here. This is a older new look pattern that I've just had forever. I really liked the lines of this one, and if you look right here, you can see it's got seams right down the front. Let me show you the line drawing in the back. Can't see them, but there are lines that go right down the front of this pattern. You can even see it's got princess seams on the back of the jacket, so it's a little bit more detailed than most. So, oh, here, you can see it right here. See right there? Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I'm making some piping, and I thought I would just show you. It's really simple to do. I have this 1/8 inch cording, and I made some piping and I put all my pieces together. You see here, I did the mitered edges on it and just made me a nice little chunk of piping from the blouse that I did a week or two ago. And it's just this easy. I put a very narrow zipper foot on there, and I'm just stitching right along the edges, just like this, keeping everything lined up and zipping right along. It is so easy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that piping right in this seam with this fabric, and I will show you pictures of it when it's done. I think it's going to be a beautiful detail on this skirt, and it'll pull it together with the blouse. Alrighty, I'll show it to you after a while. Oh, and here's what some of the piping looks like as I've been moving along. Alrighty, show it to you soon. Bye-bye.